I make it quickly to go down because I end to stop my life because Madam she is calling and the maintenance to fix the in the kitchen the leak the water is go down from up of the building, so that's why. Okay, and now we are here also. Oh, look, they are still planning, making plans, and the school bus is not yet. Okay, oh, ayan, oh, smooth. Iwan ko anong halaman kaya nito. Oh, you see? Oh. Wala pa yung school bus ni Sisi. In the center pa. Oh, you see? Yeah. Oh. So, there is there also. Ayan. Oh, this is school. Oh. Okay. It's almost to 2:30, I think. Yeah, almost 2:30. Now, the weather is cool. It's cold, but it's not too much cold. It's sunny. Cold, sunny. And you are the water na, yun na yung water. Nag-fix na siya. Nakita yung school bus, diba? So, I can walking na. Walking. Ayan na yung school bus. Doon natin yung nilagay. Talaga naman, ganun ang children. I need to shout because I'm scared it will become slide. Look down, no? Oh, the water, oh. Guli, bye-bye. Thank you.